happy family.
So, ano coffee siya? Pancakes. Hello guys! So, we're going to cook this pancake.
Yummy pancake. It says it's like fluff and tasty.
So, gusto kasi matry ni Bebe magluto ng pancake and nagugutom na rin siya. I'm going to teach her how to cook pancake. Kasi sabi niya, nandun na daw siya sa age na magta-try daw magluto. So, let's go!
Yay!
Ang need natin is itong pancake and then 1 egg, water. Actually, mas okay kapag milk ka. So, we don't have milk here.
No milk.
So, hindi naman natin ito ubusin since si Bebe rin kakain since nakapag breakfast na ako. And she just want to try how to cook lang talaga.
It says to me 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of oil.
Ay, kailangan ng oil? Hindi yun. So, depende kasi guys. Pero ako din ako naglalagay ng oil. So, magtatansya lang kayo guys kung gaano kadami. Wait lang. Ikaw maglagay. Tapos bibidyohan ko. Wait kasi
Oh, why? Alright, sounds good.
Ng onte. Sige pa.
Okay, sounds good.
Onti pa. Feel like it's fine na.
Okay, so and then we
Okay.
need an egg.
Yeah. So, 1 egg guys. You'll crack it. Okay, go.
I'll try.
Sige.
Wait.
Kaya mo yan.
Oh.
Okay. Go.
Oh my. Ew.
Tapon mo. So, next, i-mix na ni Bebe. Okay, mix mo, Be. Dahan-dahan.
Oh yeah.
Yan lang. Sige. Hanggang sa magdikit sila.
Yay.
O, kaya mo yan.
Ew.
So, how's the experience?
I don't know.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Sige lang.
Ew. I touched it.
So, guys, kapag ganyan, pwede kayo mag-add ng water.
3-4 cups of water.
Hindi natin kayang tansyahin kasi di ba hindi mo natin nilahat.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Kahit naman paikot pa eh.
Oh.
Yan, ganyan. So, we add more water.
Yeah, and saludo.
And Luffy is drinking water.
Yum.
Sige, Be, kahit paikot yung mix. So, I will cook one muna and then
Then I'll do it.
next si Bebe na. So, mix mo muna, Be. Yan, tansyahin mo lang. Kung gaano kalaki. Tayo mo. Pero mas okay pag may pang cover. So, ayan, nakikita mo, Be.
Yeah.
Nakikita mo, di pa luto. Charot.
Oh.
Then you'll flip it. Just like that.
Wow. It's so good. Yummy.
Medyo maliit kasi yung plate natin, so medyo mahirap siya i-flip. Then you're going to press it. So, it's kinda easy para ano. Yan o. O, di ba? You understand it?
Yes. Wait.
Then, antayin mo lang mag-brown para maluto yung loob. Okay, kuha ka ng plate. Sakto lang yung laki ah.
Like this?
Oo, okay na yan. Sayang we don't have honey, like a syrup. So, ayan na, Be. Okay. Don't be scared. It's fine.
It's
So, mix mo muna onte. Then, pour mo kung gaano kadaming
It's
gusto mo.
hot.
Okay, go. Sige. Okay, tama
Just
na.
a bit more. Okay.
Then, cover it.
Okay, let it out.
Then, wait muna natin. Tapos, i-check mo ah. Parang kailangan nagbabubble-bubble ng onte. So, parang dahan-dahan mo muna yung sa gilid. Dahan-dahan muna. Parang angat-angat mo muna.
Oh, no.
Okay, you can do it. Sige. Angat mo dyan. Okay, baliktad mo. 1, 2, 3, go! Yan, nice!
Yay.
Okay, look. Hindi yan sunog, Be, ah. Parang okay pa yan.
Oh no. It smells.
Sige, ganun mo. You can hold ito.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Then push mo. Para maluto. Tapos pwede mong i-move. Ayan.
Oh.
Push mo, sige. Push. Tapos pwede mo i-check yung ilalim kung gano'n nakaluto. Okay, hindi pa. Baliktad mo ulit.
Wait. Oh no.
Huwag mo na isama to sa pag-flip. Luto na yan.
Oh no.
Luto na yan, Be.
Okay, wait.
Lagay mo na sa plato.
Wait.
Hindi, kunin mo na.
Oh, I know. Yay.
Okay. Okay, last na yan. Last na luto na.
Okay, wait.
Mix mo onte. Then, lahatin mo na yan. Gilid-gilid muna. Okay, then you can flip it. 1, 2, 3, go! Flip! Nice! Perfect!
That's a perfect little
Yeah.
pancake.
And it's clean. No? Like, parang,
Walang
clear
ganito.
skin. Yeah, clear skin. Okay, you can move it. Sa middle.
In the
Dapat
middle.
naka-stay put lang to.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Okay na yan?
Yeah.
Okay, patay na natin. Okay.
Yay!
Very nice. So, Bebe just finished cooking the pancake.
Yay.
It's her first time. So,
It's my first time. Ray just taste.
yung niluto mo yung tikman mo. Hipan mo, mainit.
It's
Was it?
good.
Luto ba yung loob?
So yeah.
Rate up to 5.
5.
Siyempre, luto mo yan eh.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll taste it.
Yummy.
I'll try it. Nice. Well cooked. No joke, guys. I mean, it's just a pancake, but still, hindi siya sunog. Well cooked.
My
I'll
camera's
rate it
broken.
4.5. Hindi siya 5 kasi walang syrup.
Yeah.
Sarap sana nung may syrup tayo.
Oh,
So,
yeah.
ayun lang, guys. Bye!
Bye!
Hi guys, we're going to a new coffee shop here in Deparo. Wow, sama si Dre! Sama si Dre! Hey! Say hi.
Ito silang wifi. Yung nababa mo na.
Wow, nakalabas si Dre!
Picture.
Wow!
Pogi. May nagiging kamukha mo na siya dun sa baby po. Ano, picture mo.
Dre! Asan ka, Dre?
Dre. Parang daddy na ang picture. Side view. Ang hit kamukha mo na siya dun sa baby photo.
Wow, happy family!
Ganyan yung...
Hi, Dre! Titigan ni Daddy. Hi guys! So, ang order ko is Biscoff Latte, as always.
Ang order ka caramel mac. Tapos, pwede tatanungin ka nila kung gusto mo mag-add ng 30 pesos para maging 22.
Size up.
Bakit caramel ka? Bakit ang caramel? Parang lang caramel.
So, anong rate mo? Ang rate ko, guys, dito sa Biscoff, 3 lang. Hindi ko lasa yung Biscoff. Tapos, walang lasang Biscoff. Parang more on, parang Spanish latte siya. Hindi ko talaga malasahan yung Biscoff. Wala masyadong Biscoff spread. Pero may mga buo-buo na tinapay. Pero hindi ko talaga lasa yung Biscoff. Ikaw?
Out of
5. Ang rate ko 3.
may ano lang. Hindi niya nakuha yung gusto kong add caramel macchiato. Ano lang, 2 lang. 2 out of 5.
Pero-
Okay naman siya. Lasa naman, pero hindi ganun ka-caramelly. Caramel.
Oo, kasi mahilig din ako sa caramel macchiato. And tinikman
Wala
ko.
yung caramel.
So, parang typical, coffee. Hindi mo lasa
Sa
yung...
price, okay lang.
Hindi masyado din mahal.
Kasi nga.
So, hindi ko ulitin dito, guys.
Ha?
So, ayan lang, guys. Bye!